Hello, welcome to this channel. Now, our lesson today is how are we going to convert decimal to fraction? Okay, let's say I have this number. Okay, you can see over here, I have repeating numbers. Okay, it does not stop until the end. Alright, so can we actually change this number into a fraction? Alright, so let's try. First of all, we need to identify which is the repeating numbers in this case. In this case, you can see over here, 2 is not the repeating numbers. It just stands as it is. 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, and so on. Now is a repeating number. So to make things seem a little bit simpler, you can just put a bar next to the point where your number start to repeat itself. Okay, so in this case, can we change this number into a whole number? That's the main reason, so the main point for today, isn't it? So let's see over here. My intention is on how are we going to make sure that my number at the back over here just equals to 0. Can we cancel that one out? Okay, so in this case, let's see how are we going to play with this. You can see this is your decimal place. What if I shift my decimal place into one place on my right hand side? Okay, in this case, when I shift that one, meaning that I need to multiply my x with 10, see what happened. I have 3, 2.53, and the number still continue growing, right? 53, 53, and so on. Okay, and then let's see, if let's say I have this particular equation, numbers, and then I have another number over here. What if I minus these two together? Will that make sense? You can see it does not make sense, right? Because you still have left with 2 over here right after your decimal, and your decimal is not going to change anything. It's a little bit, it will change in numbers, but it does not give you 0 at all. So in this case, what if I put 1000? Alright, in this case, you can see my value, my decimal place now must shift into another 3 place, right? So 1, 2, 3. So let's do this one. I have 3, 2, 5, 3, and then now my 5, 3 keeps repeat themselves. Okay, now you can see it's quite clearly. After my decimal place, I have one whole number like this one, and then the next one I also have this one. So I put this as my equation number 1, and this one as my equation number 2. And let's put this one, 2 minus 1. What happened then? Now in this case, alright, I will have left with 990x, and then my number 2 equation minus number 1 now becomes just a whole number. See, it looks quite nice, isn't it? Alright, so basically now I can leave my number into one full number like this one. See, your nominator is a whole number, and your denominator also is a whole number. Alright, so basically this is how we transform our numbers, decimal number, into a fraction. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Happy learning.